Hey, what's going on, everybody, man? Oscar, you're watching Oscar Outdoors. Today we are at Lampasas River off the highway over here in Kempner. We're gonna walk down and see what the water's looking like and throw a couple lures and see what's up, man. Stay tuned. Yeah, I haven't been down this way in a long time, and the water's been up and down and all around. Got some nice big gourds right here. I think they're related to squash or pumpkin or something like that. Look at it down there, it looks nice and clear. Looks good. Well, as you can see, all the water's down now. Last time I was here making a film, the water was all the way up to here. You can see how I knocked down that tree and all that, and all those trees, and collected all those trees. Look, the water's back down, man. Let's check it out. All right, we got choices here. I can either go right or we can go left. Let's go check out the right side. Water's flowing good. It has a little bit of a smell to it from all the dead plant life decomposing and everything, but it's clear. It looks good. Let's go walk up this way and see what we can't find, man. Whoa. Caught a bass right there in a little spot. I knew it looked good. Look at that. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. He was waiting right here. First fish of the day. Right in a little spot you wouldn't think they'd be. It's just a little channel that's cutting right through the shallow rock. I could jump over the top. Step it out. All right, how about yourself?
Good, man. I've never fished there before.
Me either. There's a bunch of carp right here.
Catch it. Catch it now.
I know. I got a little piece of bread too. I got a lot of sticks right here in my way.
You drink beer?
Yeah. You? No, thank you. I got messed up last night, bro.
You had enough last night?
Oh, hell yeah. I almost didn't make it this morning.
I didn't see a beer in your hand, so figured it out for you.
Hell yeah. Thanks.
You're good, man. Good luck.
You too, man. You going fishing more?
No, I usually show up about 6:30 in the morning.
Knock it all out before it gets hot.
Yeah, noon. Time to go. Go home. I got like 3 chicken nuggets and a little perch I'm gonna fry up.
Hell yeah.
I got a steak to cook. I'm gonna go home.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
Caught a turtle, caught a small catfish. That was it today.
Hey, that's something.
Last time I came here a week ago, 2 catfish this big.
Same spot?
Right there.
No shit.
You gotta cross the water.
I'm about to try that out. Oh. Ah. Fish on. All right. Gotcha. It's a nice little bass. There you go. Cool. All right, guy. Thank you for that. I'm using a little green weenie right here. Let's walk it down this way a little bit. This ground feels like it hard? Yeah. We're good. Oh, yeah. All right, guy. Thank you for biting. You got the hook set good. Nice. Knew there was one over there. I'll walk around here and go around to the other side over there. I was over there just now and try on that side. Yes, right in the current. Down, little baby. Oh, catch and release. There he goes. I'm gonna have to change this little green weenie out here in a little bit. Caught me at least 3 or 4 bass already. That's a good thing. All right, since the water's real shallow here, I'm just gonna go ahead and walk around and sight fish and look for little holes, little pools, some slack water, eddies, all that good stuff like this right here. And you can see it's all shallow right here, gravel and stuff. And right here, this big rock that kind of just like settles down a little bit. And that's the kind of little spots I want to concentrate on. Oh, this spot looks good. Let's see how good. Yeah. Knew there was one in there. All right. A little bitty minnow did it. Shad look-alike. Right there by that rock, man. Little pool. Whoa! There's acrobatic. And we're working our way up. Man, it's nice out here. Nice and shallow. I'll walk down to that first little bend right there, and then nothing looks good on that side. I'm gonna turn it around. Look at those little bitty minnows. Whoa. What are they doing in there? Oh, caught one. I can't believe it. Oh, they're not minnows. They're little bitty catfish. Look at that. Little catfish. All right, guy. Get out of here. Bunch of little baby catfish. What, these minnows? It could be little catfish, but they're definitely fish. Oh, right in front. Oh, good. I wasn't even looking. Oh, shoot. There's a bass right under that rock. Well, didn't hit. I'll step it out a little bit. Try a different angle. Yeah, came out. What I'm talking about. Excellent. And you made it. Yeah, some of these bass are under these ledges here, staying cool. Instead of going around this bend, I'm gonna take it to this bridge over here. I see some structure out there. It's not too much further. And then I'll turn it around. Went ahead and changed out my lure. The other one's all busted up and chewed up to a little bit lighter one. Same model or design, but a little bit lighter. All right, still right here in front of this bush. Yeah. Gotcha. Right there by that bush. Thanks, man. Call your big mama. So the water turned from clear to muddy. So I'm fishing a little bit slower now than I would be doing in the clear water. Give them a chance for these fish to locate this bait. I got like a 32nd ounce jig head, so take a little while to get down. Oh man, good job. And I got snagged up. Yes, right by that rock. They're all little bitty ones, but it's all right, man. Come on. There you go. Thanks for playing, guy. I think there's another one by that rock. Look, I don't know if you can see that, man. There's a shadow right there. I think it's a buffalo or something. Maybe the drum. It might be a drum. Oh, got him! He took it! I knew it, dude. Them drum take lures. Put it right in front of his face and he took it. Get that drag loose a little bit. He drum fight hard. Golly. That was perfect. Right in front of his face. Come on, guy. These guys fight real hard. They swallowed that lure. God dang. Come on. Come on. Oh. Still got a lot left. Come on. There we go. Excellent. That's a cool fish. Oh, and I forgot they don't lip that well. Got it bit it pretty good. There you go. Not too bad. There it is. Nice freshwater drum. That eye. You got a little bit of teeth. That's a good fish. Whoa, he's long. I got you. Got you. All right, guy. Let's go. There he goes. Excellent. Opportunistic fishing, everybody. God, dude, hit it good. That was awesome. I wanted a bigger fish to fight. He was just cruising on the top of that water, man. Not a care in the world. Until I put that lure right in front of his face. Yeah, there you go, guys. So drum, freshwater drum, Gasper-goo, sheephead, whatever you want to call them. To me, sheephead are the ones of the ocean, man. But some people call them sheephead, silver bass. They got a lot of different names. But that guy hit the lure. Oh, and I got a gar right here in front of me. Come on, get off. No, straight on my hook. That's a big gar. Yeah, got him. Don't break off, guy. I got my drag nice and loose. He's right in the teeth. God, that's a good one. Come on. Come on, guy. I'm about to finesse this one in. Come on, guy. Man, I can't do nothing with this dude. This dude's walking me. Come up here, pretty baby. Come up here, pretty baby. Come on. Come on. I can't even turn that head around. Ain't nothing. Just gonna have to wait for her to get tired. She don't like that. gotta get it. Oh no! It came right out. Dang. She got it out on me, everybody. Damn. Boo. That was a fight. Lures all destroyed. Ah. I don't know what happened, man. That hook, it wasn't set. It was just kind of like wrapped around its snout. Lost it. That was a nice, beautiful fight, though, you guys. Golly. Well, let's continue down to that bridge. Yeah, so right now I got a little piece of bread on, a little jig head. I just took the minnow off. Kind of lightly pressed that bread on that hook and threw it right in there where there's I saw a couple carp. Hopefully they take the bait. We can't pick one up. All kinds of drum out there too. I see at least 2 of them, silhouettes. I could keep continuing fishing for these carp, or I could throw that lure to them drum out there because I know they're biting. I already got a piece of bread sitting in there. There it is. There it is, just through the lure. I just threw the lure and another drum out there. I'll watch that guy chase it in. Come on, guy. God, they fight hard and it's like tackle. I'll come to you. There you go. Had him wrapped around his dorsal fin. Whoa! Still got some fight. Come on. It was a pretty one. You're good, you're good. You guys are wide and hard to grab. Come here. Yummy. Nope. Can I get him? Oh, I got him. All right, there you go. Beautiful drum. Fishing rods in the water, but that's all right. Hitting on the lures. Look at that beautiful blue on the top of his head. You see that? Nice. All right, guy. Thank you for playing. Go ahead. Excellent. That was nice. Nice. Redeemed from that gar. Oh, those drum fight good. Let's go see what else we can find. Get him. Yeah. Yeah. Get him back over here. Man, I could catch these all day. Come on, guy. Come on. I'm gonna let you go. Excellent. Beautiful freshwater drum. Whoa, where you going? There he goes, all tired. Leave him there to relax and recuperate itself. Let's go catch another one. Big old carp didn't know which way to go. Got him. Uh-huh. All you had to do is take that little bitty one, didn't you? I see you right there. I grab you in my hand. Oh man, that dude's taking it. Come on. He can't go nowhere, man. There's nowhere to go. He's gonna take all my line though. Golly. God, that's a good one. Come on. Big old spider on me. Come on, baby. Coming to me now. Oh, it's a good one. Come on. Whoa. Let's go. He's going. That boy ain't ready. Yes. Yes. I got you. I got you. Look out of that mouth. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Dang, that's a good fish. Oh. All right, guy. Thank you for that fight. Oh. Thank you for that fight. Excellent. Woo! All right, guys, I'm gonna take it back to the house. Had a pretty badass day fishing today. Almost caught that big old gar, man. A couple of them actually. A few drum, a couple bass. This pole got its workout today, man. This little, whoa, look at all these little minnows. Oh, catfish. Oh, there's a bunch of them. There they go. And they're going through the channels. Is that why they call them channel cats? Oh, all right, guys. I got the camera all wet, almost fell. All right, like, subscribe, get notified. Check out the merch shop, man. Got a bunch of stuff out now. Oscar Outdoors merchandise and Oscar Outdoors gear store. Go pick something up, man. Support the channel. Check y'all later, y'all. Take it easy.